Okay, this video is for someone who has the Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator and need your water filter replaced. And mostly the first timer, then they don't know what to do. And normally I suggest to refer to the manual. But if you lost your manual or whatever reason, I'm going to show all the information here. Okay, so here's a little bit of detail. My model, the Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator model number is like this. I'm going to put all the information underneath of this video, URL and the part numbers and water filter part numbers. I found the part number, this model number from the refrigerator, the back side of the label, and the water filter, the part number. If you find the from the manual or the website of their products. Okay, cool. And then so there's a two-way you can buy the genuine water filter from the Whirlpool, the portal, and normally genuine part is cost a lot, and or just compatible replacement. So type the part number of the water filter, and this way water filter or just refrigerator water filter replacement. That keyword will bring you to the compatible. Make sure before you order something and trying to find your the part number, whether that is normally it shows all the part number there. See, yeah, so part number. So this is a way of you can the make sure order correct the part number first. Okay, this is my how-to video that I took yesterday. Hang on a second. Okay, this video is how-to video to change water filter in their Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. And this is the manual, and shows the diagram how to change the filter. And I'm going to share the URL of this manual for you to download. Okay, and so this is the filter location, and this is compatible water filter I bought from the Amazon. And the genuine the parts actually is much higher in cost, but their sales, if you to check the part number, and if you type that the part number in the Amazon website, you can find the compatible replacement. Okay, so this, okay, hang on one second. Okay, first step is locate the water filter cover door in the base grill and pull open. As you see, there's a used the old water filter located here. Okay, and you can eject the water filter like this. So this is a used one. Okay, take that out, and this is a new water filter. Yeah, but the warning is there may be some water in the filter. Some spilling may occur, so use a towel to wipe up any spills. So yeah, use the wipe out some water here. Okay, and this is a new one that I bought from Amazon.com. Okay, then take a new filter out from that package. Remove the cover. I unwrap the vinyl bag and remove the cover ring here. Okay,
All right, so this is it, and okay, so this is it, and
video angle not correct. So basically, so put your cloth on the floor,
and when
that's my mistake.
And the orientation is important. So see the top head. So this is the insertion this way. Okay. Same orientation that you checked when you pull out the old one. The good news is the only one orientation you can insert it fully. If you wrongly insert it, it may not go in completely and it may stuck in the halfway. So you will know. Okay. And align new filter with the filter housing and slide it into the place like this, and filter door will automatically begin to
fully insert it.
Okay.
His orientation is wrong, so I rotate it a little bit. See, does not work. So if you rotate it and make it the right orientation.
Okay, maybe the wrong orientation. See, yeah, if orientation is correct and door is automatic, when you push in, then door comes along. So this is a right orientation. Okay, see, and then and push is hard like this, and so the filter cover door will automatically begin to close as the new filter is inserted. And close the filter cover door completely in order to snap the filter into place. And you may need to press hard and finish water system. And so this is the completion. But once you insert it, you may need to reset indicator, the water filter status yellow. This is a time that you have to swap that.
So normally you see the yellow LED light. That meaning is you have to replace. Okay, order and replace, and then
water filter, and the ordinary is green, and this is a reset. So push 10 seconds.
Yeah, I did it wrong. Okay, push 5 times within 10 seconds. That's the right way.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
yeah, this
10.
Is, okay, sorry for confusion.
Oh, switch 5 times in. Oh, sorry, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See, and momentarily you see the green light.
And now it reset it to green. So this is what I'm talking about. So close the lid. And lastly, dispense water and ice. 1 or 2 liters, a little bit more, until you see the water flows. Okay, after changing the water filter, whenever you do it. Okay. So I take that out, water. Let me do it again. Yeah, now I think steady water flow. Yeah, good. Thing is okay. And now, also I normally take out the some ice. Yeah, make sure you're working fine. Okay, this video.
So this is, but when you're trying to order Amazon, some vendors disappeared the next time. So the best way, even you archive to your saved list. Sometimes the vendor, bankrupt or disappears. So please review all the rating. Do not order anything like under 4 stars. Normally I pick like a top tier, a good review, top reviewed product only. Okay, and then read all the reviews. Okay, because some users said some filter there's a water smells after replacement. Okay, and if you are really bit sensitive, make sure read all the reviews. Okay, so I'm gonna share all the link, URL, everything in the manual. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll come back later with the interesting topic. Okay, thanks for watching.